फ्रेंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल कानाजी बॉय। टुडे आई हैव कम हियर इन जीबी। ये भैया हैं, ये यहाँ पर इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, तो आज इनका हम इंटरव्यू लेने वाले हैं। So firstly I would like to ask something about yourself, please.
Sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Sir, my name is Vivek Kumar. Basically, I am from Chevramu but currently staying in Khalla. My father is a roadway conductor, so my passion is to give a speech on political issue. Sir, my strength are I am self-motivated person and disciplined person. Sir, I want to be a officer and in NDA. Sir, my first goal is to achieve a good job and the second goal is achieve big opportunities. So this is my interview.
So okay, so why are you learning English? Give the reason.
Because sir, now these days English is very important language. If I go anywhere, then English is important language and make his attitude good. So I learn English.
Suppose that I don't know how to speak English. Yeah, I know how to speak English little bit. So how can I improve my English skills as soon as possible?
Sir, if you have any members in your family, then you tried in front of your members. If you have no any members, then you tried in front of mirror your friends with your friends, so you improve his English. You improve your English.
So as you have told me you want to go NDA job, so suppose that I want to prepare in the NDA job, so how can I prepare myself?
Sir, we do the preparation of NDA from myself, because self study is the best study. It's a line say my principal that self study is the best study. So we do self study.
Okay, what is the full form of NDA?
I think National Defence Academy is the full form of NDA.
What's the Hindi?
राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा और राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा एकेडमी.
Okay, so you want to go NDA job. So can I ask the question regarding the NDA job?
Okay,
So,
you can ask.
So whom do you most like, father or mother?
So I like both father and mother.
Suppose that you will have to condition. You have only one option available. You can choose the mother and you can choose the father. That time what would you do?
So I think I choose mother.
Why are you choosing mother?
Because sir, if the father is absent, then mother can give me big opportunities and facilities. If the mother is absent, then father cannot give me opportunities than mother.
Okay, what is the spelling of colonel?
So I think COLONEL is the spelling of colonel.
Okay, what is the spelling of lieutenant?
Lieutenant, sir, LIEUTENANT.
Okay, what is the spelling of 12th?
12th, TWALVTH.
Okay, what is the spelling of committee?
Sir, please you
don't know.
speak
Okay.
again.
What is the spelling of committee?
I don't know.
You don't know, not a problem. So, what is the difference between yoga and gym? Which person is good?
Sir, I think gym is good because gym do the work of yoga, but and the yoga cannot work from gym for gym. It is impossible. Then the gym can work from for yoga. So I think gym is good
How can you say
between
that?
between yoga and gym.
How can you say that gym is good? Suppose that I am not 18 years old, so I cannot do the gym. And yoga, you can, whatever age you can do the yoga. And
Sir.
you know, you will not pay the amount. But suppose that you want to join the gym, so definitely you will have to pay the money. Then you can do the gym.
So if you have no any money, then you make sambal and devices which that you do the gym from your home, on your home,
So,
uh, anywhere.
so which class do you study right now?
Sir, I did my class 10th from JD Jinta Inter College. Right now I am studying I am studying 11th standard.
Can I ask the question regarding the any particular subject?
Yes,
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Okay, so what is the value of sine 90 plus theta?
Sin 90 plus theta. Sir, the 90 plus theta is situated is the second. Sir, उसे क्या बोलते सर?
Second quadrant.
Second coordinate. Or sir, when the 90 plus theta situated in second coordinate, then the name and sign also change. Both change.
So what is the value sine 90 plus theta?
Sin 90 plus theta. Sir, minus cos theta.
Minus cos theta. Are you sure?
Sure.
You are sure? You can.
Sir,
Okay, noted.
please give me time few seconds.
Okay.
Sir, नहीं, no, because sir, second coordinate sine and cosec no change. So sir, minus sine theta.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am sure.
Okay, I give the condition. You can sell this marker in market. How can you sell this marker in good price? Please sell this.
So first thing is that I see the marker and it's about this, then I purchase it.
How can you impress the customer? I am not impressed. So how can you sell? Okay, not a problem. Okay, can I ask the question? Conditional.
Okay,
Conditional question.
you ask question conditional.
Suppose that you have got selected at NDA job, so that you are posted. Suppose that you are posted in Chibramu, your city. So that time, what would you do first for our society? Please.
I think sir, in NDA any officer is not situated in Chibramu.
Suppose that I condition. It is my condition.
Okay. Sir, first I think I do the work from corruption. I will do the work from corruption, on corruption.
Okay, who is the ever best movie?
Om Shanti Om. I think I like Om Shanti Om movie.
What's the favorite act that movie?
The favorite part of that movie is I speak in Hindi because the dialogue in Hindi
Okay.
is
can you
best.
use?
Sir, the Shah Rukh Khan says that यदि आप किसी चीज़ को मन्नत से पूरी तरह से मांगो तो आपको मिलाने में पूरी कायनात साथ देती है। सर आई लाइक दिस डायलॉग एंड दिस लाइन।
I have forget your hobbies. Please tell me about your hobbies.
Sir, my hobbies is help that persons who is very poor, who is that we can say Sosit. I help that poor.
Okay, you want to poor people help. So how can you judge he is poor person? How can you judge?
Sir, now these days we see that the rich man do very sir like is we can say atyachar from on poors. So
My
I can
question is that how can you judge any particular person he is poor? My question is that.
Sir, please tell me the meaning of berozgar.
Unemployment.
Sir, I think any person is unemployment, then I can judge that he is poor man.
Okay.
Because unemployment is the very most.
Okay.
If you-
Suppose that you will not get succeed in NDA job. It is your last attempt. So that time, what would you do?
So first thing is that I believe that I will succeed in NDA.
Okay. So my next question is that which product is good? Chinese product is good, yeah? Indian product is good, according to you, please.
Sir, your question is very waste. I think Chinese product is waste because sir Chinese product gave all people मतलब सही cost, right cost and give very facility.
Okay. How can you say that a Chinese product is good? But right now I am facing the problems of Chinese product. Any particular person who want to purchase the Chinese product, it is not sustainable product. So how can you say that it is a very short time period destroy that Chinese product? But I should purchase the Indian product. It is a very sustainable product. Not only sustainable, but also he has warranty and guarantee cards available. You can any problems in future you can change. So how can you say that Chinese product is good?
Sir, I think Chinese product the cost of Chinese product very few than Indian products. Sir, the time of 1930, Sir Mahatma Gandhi said that any person didn't wear Western clothes and wear only khadi. But sir, that time, sir, people of India was not able to wear the costly clothes.
Okay. My last question is that tell me 3 strengths of yourself. My last question.
Sir, my strength are कि I am self-motivated person and disciplined person. And sir, my best quality is that, sir, I understood any person's sad. I understood any person's sir sorrow अपने जैसा सर.
Okay. So your interview is over. You can go. So thank you watching my video. I humble request you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.